What is FREENOW mobility super app? So this is quite a popular ride-sharing app. It can be competing to Uber or to Bolt, some other apps. At the moment, it's only available in 9 European countries, though. So it's not like everywhere. But if you are in one of those countries, by the way, I don't know exactly which countries are those. So it's also available among main Europe's largest airports, including Heathrow, London City, Gatwick, Dublin, Barcelona, El Prat, Munich, Manchester, Düsseldorf, Vienna. So yeah, you can just get it to get like an airport transfer, and it's also well 10 countries in 100 European cities. So it is mostly working in cities. It's not working outside of a big city or something like that. And then what you can do, um, you can find e-scooter, e-moped, e-bike or car, and then just scan the QR code, and then just go to your destination and pay. You can book a taxi or ride near you, and there you have it. I think it also allows so this is basically like a something like that. For example, what you can select here, and then you can just tap book now, and then you just proceed the same as you do on Uber. Just enter current spot, you enter a destination, and then you will just be able to book a ride. You can also set your home and work address. Then there is just your account. You can add your payment method, like usually it just works with Apple Pay. You can also add some other personal payment method. Then there is some kind of miles and more from Lufthansa. Then there are some additional bonuses, I guess. You can see all the trips history. There is like a help button. That's basically the idea. If you're not happy, you can always delete your account. Just tap delete account in the bottom.